Dear student, welcome back to our NIVS home school. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shiuly Saha, assistant teacher of English, National Indian English National School, morning shift. Dear student, today I am going to take your home science class for the student of class 6. Our previous topic is M.C.Q question. Today I will provide you some M.C.Q question from chapter 2 and 4. So let's get started our class. Question number 1. Which of the following belong to weekly cleaning activities? Option, here are given 4 options. You have to choose only one. Number A, painting of furniture. Number B, washing of glass articles kept in boxes. Number C, cleaning the kitchen shelves. And number D, arranging textbook and exercise book. So from among these 4 options, which one is correct? You have to choose only one options. So which of the following belong to weekly cleaning activities? No, answer C is correct. Now read the following paragraph and answer 2 and 3. Shanta leveled the ground of her house, courtyard and made flower and vegetable gardens. She makes the gardens free of weeds and keeps their surrounding clean. Number 2. Which type of cleaning activity does Shanta make for her gardens? Option 1 A, weekly cleaning. Number B, internal cleaning. Number C, yearly cleaning. And number D, external cleaning. Number D will be correct answer. Number 3, advantages that Shanta can get from gardening are. Number 1, sources of extra income. Number B, enhancing the beauty of the house. Number C, fulfilling nutritional needs. Which is correct among the following? 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. From this passage, we know that number C will be correct answer, 2 and 3. That means enhancing the beauty of the house and fulfilling nutritional needs. Number 4, which of the following range of age is called childhood according to the United States Charter? Number A, 6, number B, 10, number C, 14 and number D, 18. So number D will be correct. Number 5, at which age do children start becoming skilled and industrious? Number A, babyhood. Number B, early childhood. Number C, middle childhood. And number D, adolescence. We know number C will be correct. Number 6, how many types of family are there according to its formation? A, 2, B, 3, C, 4, D, 5. So correct answer is number A, 2. Number 7, at which stage does a child develop very first? Number A, neonatal period. Number B, babyhood. Number C, middle childhood. And number D, adolescence. You know at which stage does a child develop very first? Correct answer is babyhood. Number 8, which is a characteristic of middle childhood? Dependence, self-dependence, quick physical growth, and D, shy nature. Number B, self-dependence is correct. Number 9, what does failure create in children? Number A, disappointment. Number B, grief. Number C, anger. Number D, tears. Correct answer is disappointment. Number 10, what do children like doing at early childhood? Doing own work, imitating others, helping others, and D, decorating the self. Which one is correct? Number B, imitating others. Number 11, at what age does a child's weight triple since birth? 3 years, 2 years, 1 year and 6 months. Number C is a correct answer. Number 12, how many days does an infant spend in his or her mother's womb before being born? 270, B 275, C 280 and number D 285. Number C will be correct. Number 13, when does a major change occur in our life as a child? At childhood, at middle childhood, at early childhood, and number D at adolescence. Number B at middle childhood will be correct answer. Number 14, which disease occurs from the bite of Aedes mosquitoes? Number A, typhoid. Number B, diarrhea. Number C, malaria. Number D, dengue fever. Now 15, last one, which category does the activity of cleaning the roof or desk fall under? Daily, B, weekly, C, monthly, and D, yearly. Which one is correct? Weekly. So student, hope you have understood our previous topic. There is no homework today. So keep practicing at home and see you in next class. Thank you all.